Hey everybody, it's Dan Van Meer coming at you from DFW, our facility here in Fort Worth. But since I was in town, I wanted to come check out our DFW facility as well. Bit of time with Gerald and Hilda and the team here who do an awesome job. And since I'm here, I thought I'd take you on a tour. So let's go check it out. All right, so I'll take you in through one of our loading dock doors here. We do our receiving in this corner here. Team goes through, unloads, does first article inspection, make sure everything's looking good, and then we move it either into overstock or over to our put away area, and I'll show you that just here in a second. Like you can see, a lot of overstock here. I think we have some plans to add some additional racking in the near future as well, which is awesome. Lots of changes happening here to accommodate all the growth that we're seeing, which is really cool. All right, I'm just going to come around the corner here and make sure I don't get hit by a forklift. Sorry if it's a little loud, we got some fans moving air. I'm going to come around over here. New racking getting ready to get put in, which is awesome. Here we have our special projects area, doing a bit of prep today. On both sides of the floor, different clients being worked on right now, which is awesome. All right, and then on the right, we have our inventory team at work. On the left, we have stuff staging for put away. All right, and let me show you the pick area next. So, like you can see, huge pick wall. Some stuff being picked out of containers, but most of the stuff here is on racks in our bins. We're running some cool pilots in here. We're picking on a few of our new pick-to-light carts. We might see some of that in action as we go through. All this back area, we're going to move that racking to the overstock area I showed you. Actually in prep to convert all this into pickable bins as well. So, man, growing like crazy, which is awesome. Good problems to have, and thankfully we have the space if we reconfigure things here to make sure all is good. All right, let's keep going through. Duck down this aisle here, and I'll take you over to our pack out stations. We run a couple different variations of pack out stations, so I'll try to show you those. We have a standard station for our typical pack out. We have a station dedicated to big and bulky and multiple boxes. And then we're also doing dedicated pack outs for one client here, so I can show you that today too. So just coming up on the pack out station, we have 19 stations, maybe 20 stations on the go. Everything's tight, which is great. So our red stations, let me show you that here. Red station is for our bulky items, multiple boxes. All of our stations are set up to run without keyboard and mouse, which made a huge difference for our team. Keeps them focused, makes it easy for them to learn the process and not get too tied up in trying to fix issues, which is what we don't want them to do. So that's kind of our standard pack out station. And then let me show you what our dedicated station looks like here. You've probably seen this in other videos as well. We've been testing this for a while now, having all the SKUs at the station for a dedicated client pack out. Huge time savings for the right type of client profile. So typically we're looking for clients that don't have a huge SKU mix, to make sure that we keep things easy there. But for clients with the right profile, we've seen massive time improvements. Yeah, and then so kind of the end of the process, stuff gets packed out, hits the conveyor belt, and then over to our final sort, which is back here. So you can see the conveyor does a bit of a jog to the left here. And then we have all of our sort bins here. I'll just duck it on this side so I don't get in the way. So off the conveyor, and then into the sorted bins and out to our customers. Probably hear some beeps here in a minute. That's our team using our container feature to sort and make sure that things end up in the right bins. And from there, we do our pickups and things head out the door. All right, cool. That wraps up the tour of the DFW facility. Thanks again for taking the time to watch. If you have any questions or things you want to see next time, let me know. Happy to do more of these for y'all. Take care.